Everybody is selling the same things. Your neighbor can have the same look as you if you go to the same ID. Clients are very easily bought over by 3D vendors. I'm today's mystery guest. I will reveal my face. Ta-da! Still gonna wear my sunglasses because I'm not comfortable to face the camera. This is what you'll get throughout the whole interview, okay? Even when I walk throughout the house, it's gonna be like that, so get used to it. Hello, I'm Carmen from Wolf Woof, interior design firm. So I've been in the industry for about 5 years. Previously, I was doing advertising, decided to switch path, do interior, which is my passion all this while. How I operate is a bit different from other IDs. I will have interior design portion of it, but I'll also have the styling portion of it. A lot of IDs, what they do is, I give you the keys to your house, completed already. Carpentry all done, but there's no furnishing. Clients, right, they are left on their own device to buy all their styling stuff. But you know, as individuals, right, when we look at things, we will just say, hey, I like this one, I like this one, I like this one, and you buy. But you cannot see the whole picture of how everything turns out. As an ID, I have the responsibility to tell them, this is my whole picture. These are the things that I'm going to propose to you to style up your place. So the brief to me for this house is just simply modern luxe. They did mention about liking plants as feature wall. What I did was to incorporate artificial wall plant into the design scheme. And I also have a lot of dark wood accents to complement the gold accent. Gold is not everything in this house. It's more of a luxe touch to it. This house is a high ceiling loft style apartment. As you come into the entrance, we will have a lot of wooden cladding to cover bomb shelter, dress up bomb shelter van, which is very unsightly. The blinds came down, eh?
Maybe it's sensor.
Is that new occupant in the house?
So scary. The loft was added because we were wondering what we should do with the loft, and then it occurred to them that, you know, it would be cool to have an air theatre, which means they will watch movies from this loft, which is a very unique concept because I don't think many houses in Singapore has this feature. The main thing in this house is seamlessness. You won't see wires anywhere. Everything is very carefully concealed. Dining space, we wanted to dress it up. The wooden paneling is behind. The common feature is that we clad most of the space with marble laminate so that there's consistency. Family room, we have a Murphy bed that is carefully hidden as part of the entire stretch of walk-in wardrobes. But when there's guests, right, they'll just need to pull down the bed and then guests can sleep there already. Pull-down bed also serves as a function of couch where you can sit there and watch the TV that's perched opposite it. Space crunch is real. That's why we have to make every space multifunctional. For the study, right, what we did was to build storage platform and the mattress is hidden inside. So when there's guests, right, all they need to do is lift up. You have a bed there for the guests to sleep in. Bedrooms are meant to be relaxing. When you step in, right, you just want to relax. We have a lot of design features on the wall, like the wallpaper, wooden trimmings and all that, to make the space cozy and pretty and neat. A lot of IDs I know, the style is similar to this house that I did. Yeah, simple. Just change in the 3D, different laminates used, different color scheme and all that. Then become, my proposal. Clients are very easily bought over by 3D vendors. They say, wow, 这么美, 这么美, 这么美. They will just sign on the package. House A is the same as House B. Your neighbor can have the same look as you if you go to the same ID, if there's no thought put into it. So to me, that's really bullshit. But unfortunately, the bullshit is still around. Everybody's buying that bullshit. So for me, I feel like I'm the salmon swimming against the stream. In terms of design philosophy, my premise is to have a creative touch to all the houses, spaces to express themselves, express the personality of the owner. Because half the time, right, I flip magazine, so this house is pretty, this house is pretty, this house is pretty, but I cannot tell the owner's personality from the houses. People live in it. We are not droids. Every one of us is different, just like our thumbprint. Why should the houses all look alike?